Hello coders, Synthetic Programming here with another video for you guys today, and today we got a pretty special one. So as you guys know, I make a lot of drone videos, and I have a couple on the channel. This is the drone I use, amazing drone, the DJI Mavic Pro. This thing has brought me some good times. It's probably the coolest thing that I own. It takes high resolution video and photo, and it's made, like I said, by DJI. But the problem with this drone for some people is the price point. So I picked this guy up for about $1,200. And I don't regret it at all. It's totally worth it. Now I think you can get just the drone itself for like $1,000. They came out with a new Mavic as well, the Mavic Air. It's a little quieter, has some other specs. DJI has actually sent me a drone to review, the DJI TELLO. So we're going to get into that right now. Oh wow, this thing is so small. That's so cool. Okay, so it comes in a plastic sheet like this. Here we go. This is the, let's get it in frame, the DJI TELLO. There we go. It's a tiny little thing. Oh my god. I wonder how it's going to handle. I'm kind of biased because I've been flying the DJI Mavic. So, you know, the DJI Mavic handles so well. And it's so smooth. I don't know how something this small is going to handle, but we're going to see when I fly it around. We'll see how it does. Let's see what else came in the box. So here's a little more of a close-up of the guy. You can see that it comes with these like props already attached. And then if we turn this around here, so this is the camera. Battery slides in the back. I'm guessing that's the power button right there. There's some sensors on the bottom, and then also on this side we have, let's not grab the camera, a micro USB. So I'm guessing this is how it's charged or how you access the SD card. I'm going to have to find where the SD card goes, if there even is one, because there's a chance this drone is controlled not with a controller but with your iPhone or smartphone. So I'm gonna guess that either there is an SD card and I have to find the slot, or there's no SD card and you download and take pictures straight onto the iPhone. So those are the other props that it came with, and then that's that little changing tool there and the quick start guide, which I'm gonna have to go through. Okay, so I got the TELLO all set up, it's on. I'm going to connect to the TELLO's Wi-Fi network now, and then let's see, we can, oh, here we go. Okay, I don't know if you can see on the camera because of the glare, but I can see the TELLO. I'm just gonna swipe now on my screen to make it take off, and let's see if it does. There we go. Look at that. That's actually so cool. Let's see if I get close to it. Does it move? There we go. Oh my god. It's actually pretty stable. Let's see. Okay, so if I press up, there it goes. Wow, it's really stable. That's awesome. The drone actually handled extremely well, especially for its size. It's smaller than the DJI Mavic Pro, but it handled almost as well as it would have in this level of wind, which you could hear in the video. The picture quality was definitely good for its size as well. It streams photos straight to your iPhone, so it was really easy for me to throw it up and take a selfie wherever I wanted. It's the perfect drone for people that are just starting out with drones because you can learn how to fly, test out a bunch of different flight modes, and it's a lot less expensive than the DJI Mavic Pro. If you want to pick up one of these drones for the holidays because you think it's super cool, go to syntheticprogramming.com. I actually have an affiliate link there. You can support the channel and pick up one of these cool little drones for you or one of your family members, so you guys can have a good time and fly it around. I'm Ethan with Synthetic Programming. I look forward to doing more videos with the TELLO in the future. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, guys.